Until now, I don't blame the UST fans. They're still talking about yung tulak ni Joffrey. Mga Joffrey talaga. King Joffrey. Mga Joffrey. Anyways, itong Joffrey Avillinar, tinulak si Jeric Teng. Siyempre, yung UST fans, ang point of view nila, sadya, dirty play, cheap shot, out to harm, no? Yung ginawa ni Joffrey Avillinar of NU. Naturally, I'm sure the Teng family also feels that way, lalong-lalo na si Jeric, because he thought his college career was over, but fortunately for him, hindi. The question is, we all saw the game and the replay over and over, trying to study it. Now, I guess, para doon sa mga gustong malaman our opinion on it, tingin ba natin accidental ba o intentional? Because there's a huge difference, between a little rough play or talagang sinadya na injure ko yung balikat mo. Go.
I think sinadya yung action.
Okay.
Pero it was not meant to harm. Because I've seen mas mabigat na bangga sa UAAP na swerte lang hindi umabot sa ganong injury.
Okay.
So if you're asking me if it was sadya, oo, sinadya ni ginusto talaga ni Avillinar na banggain si Teng. Pero hindi niya ginustong saktan.
Feeling ko hindi niya akalain na mahuhulog si Teng ng ganon kalakas na may injured in shoulder. Pero definitely he wanted to push him to
hit him.
To
hurt him.
To hurt him.
Yung babalyain.
Nagulat lang siya sa effect.
It happens, happens in basketball. Chuck.
Agree. Yung point kasi na sinabi ni Jeric Teng, ang laki-laki ng court when the play happened. So bakit parang hindi na lang umiwas si Avillinar to try to get the rebound? Pero kung ako naman si Avillinar, parang ba't ko iwasan si Teng to try to go for the rebound and at the same time to try to send a message na rin? Kasi yung sinasabi rin naman ng ibang players ng NU and the others that it's not like UST was completely clean the way that they were also playing basketball. I mean, that any team plays basketball, 'di ba? May kanya-kanya mga gulang naman yan na hindi nakikita on TV. So, parang hindi rin ako nagulat na ginawa ni Avillinar yan. But I agree with Miak and with Carlo na parang ayaw naman niya siguro na ma-separate or ma-injure yung balikat ni Jeric Teng. It's just that, it's a very physical play.
Was it a dirty play?
I don't think so.
You don't think
I honestly don't think so.
Ang problema dito, ginajudge natin, tinitingnan natin yung sitwasyon. Maganda, gawin natin actual. Nandito si Benji, siya yung tutulak kay Chuck.
Bakit ako?
Yung former player.
Gawin na natin.
Para makita natin.
Sige na.
Para mo masiseparate yung shoulder mo.
Para malaman na natin. Para malaman na natin.
Para makita natin. Kung masiseparate yung shoulder mo.
Dito ka lang.
Okay.
Di mo alam eh.
Okay.
Ba't yung tingin? Di mo alam eh.
Oo. Alam mo, Chuck, tingnan mo itong nakita mo ba ito?
Enjoy ba? Hindi mo dumi. Okay pa eh.
Grabe. May lipad pa eh. Power of power. Sorry, nagte-text ako, di ko nakita. Pero ulitin natin. Hindi ko nakita. Pakiulit. Dali. Hindi ko nakita talaga. I was tweeting. So, can you do it again, please? Okay, Chuck. Hindi, ikaw dapat.
May kaundi. Nakatayo ka.
Nakatayo ka lang.
Tingin ka dito sa camera. Ano ngayon? Pananaw mo.
Kasi, ano tayo dito? Very scientific tayo. Kung mag-analyze ng mga sitwasyon. Nagkaroon tayong dalawang simulation.
I've never seen a more dirty play. Grabe. Yung intent, yung purpose, yung mindset niya, Avillinar. Jeric Teng.
Di ba? Ngayon, nalaman na niya yung naramdaman ni Jeric Teng.
Ngayon, kasi kayo, nag-opinion rin kayo.
Miyak ka naman.
Kayo naman.
Hindi to sinadya eh.
Hindi pala.
Kasi hindi tayo yung sumakit yung balikat at natakot.
Hindi naman natin sinasabi na umarte si Jeric. Ang sinasabi lang natin, siguro hindi naman sinasadya yung ganung kalakas na tumba. Pero definitely sadya yung pagkabangga.
Dirty play? No. Yes, no.
No. Tsaka ayaw kong banggain ako ni ano.
Not a dirty play.
Lahat of us a dirty play. Pag
sinabi mong hindi dirty play, kailangan mong gawin.
Tatalbog si Benji!
Kailangan
ako
wala, pumunta ka na doon. Sandali lang.
Tingin ka dito.
Hindi pa rin.
Dirty play hindi.
Sakit, di ba? Ano, pwede
Ano na masabi mo?
Kung tatay ko lang si Alvin Teng, patay to.
Ikaw, dirty play hindi.
Alam mo, for sure, intention. Ayoko. Ang intention doon sa ayoko.
Ako naman, bago pa nangyari yun, tingin ko dirty play. Bago pa. Ano pa, nasa backward pa si Atenyonar.
At saka, ang laki-laki nung dadaan. Oo, kita ko na eh.
So, ano na?
So, ang ano is...
Dirty.
Dirty player si Benji pa.
Get well soon, Jeric.